Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to delete TikTok reposts. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear. Now click on the profile. After that, you can see the posted or the reposted videos here. Now how to delete TikTok repost. If you can see that two videos are being reposted, then you have to click on that video. Now click on the three dots. Now scroll this bar and you can click on this delete button. Your reposted video will be deleted from here. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.